Financial Literacy 101. Hey Roswell, how you guys doing today? You ever heard of the Tarzan Analogy? Okay, Tarzan Analogy. You can't swing forward unless you let go the vine you swung from. You can't swing forward unless you let go of the vine you swung from. But you need to go forward, right? Nobody wants to go back in life. You want to go forward, right? You want to go forward in your business. You want to go forward in your relationship. You want to go forward with your kids to prosperity in college and trade schools and all great things. You want to go forward in your entrepreneurship. You want to go forward in your education. You want to go forward in your personal, your business life, your spiritual life, your everything. You want to go forward, but you're holding on to something. You cannot go forward if you don't let go what's behind you. Okay, and I know I'm speaking to somebody. This is psychological, right? Some things have a psychological hold on you, okay? Some things have a psychological hold on you, and a great book for you to read to figure out what's the thing that you can dig deep inside of you to move forward. Sometimes we need a spark. Sometimes we need to define ourselves. Sometimes we need to find ourselves, right? You need to define yourself, and you also need to find yourself to figure out who you are. Then you can go forward, because you can't swing forward because you don't even know who you are. A great book is called Mastery by Robert Greene. That's Mastery by Robert Greene. It helps you to find a niche in your life that you're great at. But in order for you to go forward, you need to let go of the vine behind you. You guys seen Tarzan movie, the old black and white movies, or the new movie in color. When he swung vine to vine, he had to let go of this one as he grabbed this one, then he swung forward. Now, if you have this one and you have this one, guess where you're going? Nowhere. You're going nowhere because you have the vine behind you and you have the vine in front of you. You get what I'm saying? And some of you that you're trying to go forward, but you're not letting go of the thing behind you, so you're stuck in the middle. Now, what could some of these things be? People, debt, your children, family, business, spending, giving away your money. I mean, there could be so many things in your life. You may be part of a charity. You may be part of a foundation that's getting all of your time and you have no time for yourself. You can't move forward unless you let some things go. This is the Tarzan analogy. You can't swing forward unless you let go the vine behind you, right? And why do I say vine, right? The vine is literally coming from a life source, a tree. They're dangling from certain trees, right? So you may hold on to that because it has life and you feel attached to it, okay? You feel attached to it. And this could be speaking to so many people in so many realms. It could be a bill that you're helping somebody pay, but guess what it's doing? It's not giving you life, it's sucking life. You could be in a bad relationship, it's not giving you life, it's sucking your life. And I'm no relationship expert, okay? I'm no financial expert, I'm just good with finances, but I know one thing: you need to let go of something as you're holding something to go forward. And here's the biggest thing of it all. As you're swinging and you don't let go of the vine behind you and you grab the vine in front of you, and then you eventually gain the courage. You eventually gain the knowledge. You eventually come to your senses and you let that vine go. What happens? That you held onto that vine too long. You're still stuck. Because the momentum of the inertia and the gravity that was propelling you forward has now left you stuck because you waited too long to let go of the thing behind you. You waited too long to let that thing go. You waited too long to let it die or kill it. Okay, better sense of a word, you have to kill it, right? Because it's a living life source that you believe that you're so attached to, but you have no time for yourself. You have no money for yourself. You have no space for yourself in order for you to go forward. Now, that backwards vine can also be a propellant to help you to go forward. But whatever's holding you back can also have you to propel forward. But you have to know it's the right vine. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? It has to be the right vine. Because sometimes as you're letting go, that vine will try to hit you back in the hand and you may grab it out of reflexes. Okay? Or that vine is just stay still and say, enjoy your journey. So I hope this helps somebody to let go of some things in their world so they can propel forward in their life adventures, in those things that I know you want to do. Whether it be helping people or starting an organization or getting your kids through school or you getting yourself through school or getting a better house, a better car, whatever it may be that will make you happy or whatever you believe that you think that make you happy. Now, quite frankly, I don't think a car will make you happy. It may make you happy for a short period of time. I like my car. It makes me happy, I guess. I'm happy I got a car. But nonetheless, whatever it is in your life, sometimes you have to let go of the thing behind you in order to move forward. And if you wait too long, regardless if you let go or not, you're going to be stuck because the inertia and the gravity and the energy that was propelling you forward has gone away. This is Raw's World, Financial Literacy 101. Sometimes I just got to get a little psychological on you because maybe some of you are in your intellectual headspace and I have to talk directly to you in order for you to let it go. I'm out.